आप सभी लोग का इस ट्रेनिंग में स्वागत है और इस ट्रेनिंग में बात करने वाले हैं हाउ टू गेट क्लाइंट। तो ये हाउ टू गेट क्लाइंट का दूसरा क्लास है। सो वी आर गोइंग टू लुक आफ्टर वन बाय वन। सो इन द लास्ट क्लास वी हैव सीन दैट so how to get clients from the Google, because right now we are not talking about customer, we are talking about client, means B2B business. This is specifically will be work for B2B business only. Okay, so remember that. Okay, and you can also do the same thing for the customer as well, but it will not work so much, but it will work more for the client based business. Okay, if you are providing any kinds of services, then you can do it. So हम लोग देखेंगे एक करके. Sorry. So right now I'm going to show you how we can do it. Okay. सर वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग अवेलेबल होगा? यस, एक्चुअली रिकॉर्डिंग होगा, लेकिन यहाँ रहने से फायदा ये है कि आप जो कुछ अगर डाउट्स होगा तो आप यहीं पूछ सकते हैं. वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग में डाउट नहीं पूछ सकते, बस डिफरेंस यही है. और आपका कोर्स पे ऑलरेडी लास्ट क्लासेस का एक्सेस डाल दिया गया है. ठीक है, तो आगे बढ़ते हैं. देखिए क्या है कि अभी जो है हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं तो चलिए बात करते हैं कि कैसे हम लोग जो है लीड लेकर आएंगे. ठीक है, तो एक्चुअली लास्ट क्लास में हम लोगों ने ये बात किया था कि गूगल से कैसे लीड लेकर आएंगे, तो उसको हम लोग आज नहीं टच करेंगे. आज टच करेंगे दूसरा मेथड. ठीक है, तो दूसरा मेथड क्या है, हम लोग बात करेंगे लिंक्डइन का. तो ये बहुत ही इफेक्टिव है और खास करके फॉरेन क्लाइंट के लिए. सो इन दिस ट्रेनिंग वी आर गोइंग टू सी हाउ टू गेट लीड्स थ्रू द इंस्टाग्राम, नॉट थ्रू द इंस्टाग्राम, थ्रू द लिंक्डइन, and then we are going to see the Instagram and other channel. So right now we are going to do that. So what is the process? I will tell you the process. Okay, so I'm going to show you the PPT here, mind map here, so that you will get to know how what is the process will be there. See here we are second approach, we are going to make LinkedIn. Okay, second approach we are going to make it LinkedIn, and in that what we have to do, first of all, for the LinkedIn we have to do something like, first of all, survey. Okay, means you can say something like you have to research that. Okay, research the client. Okay, first of all research the client. Okay, then we have to send the, this is the process that we have to follow. Send connection request with node. Okay, we have to send connection request with node, and then if we get a reply, okay, if we get reply, then we have to again send the follow-up. Okay, follow-up message according to your funnel. Okay, according to your funnel you can send the follow-up message. Okay, then you have to bring it on a Zoom or whatever session it may be, meeting session. Okay, you can say Zoom for a video call. Video call is best. Okay, video call is best, so that it will be easy for you to do all those things. So what we have to do, first of all we have to do research according to our niche. Okay, we have to do research according to our niche, then we have to send the this one. Okay, connection request. I will zoom it so that you can get to know. So we have to send request, then if we get reply, then we are going to, so we are going to send the follow-up message, and then we are going to book the video call meeting, or else you can book appointment session or discovery session or what may be. Okay, then after discovery session what we have to do, we are not going to do it right now right there. Okay, so in that, so in the video call, then we have to do some, sorry. So we have to do discovery call, okay? In the first call, okay, we do not book meeting, then discovery call. In the first meeting, do not disclose the pricing and everything, okay? In first call, what we have to do, understand their business, okay? Understand their business. And then in the next meeting, come with the pricing. Let's suppose if it is higher pricing, if somebody is coming with you and because you are doing research, you are doing custom marketing, this is a custom marketing, then you have to, then if you are charging a high amount, then you are not going to tell the pricing on the first things. If they are asking for the price, you can say initially, yeah, it is a price, and you can send some of the range. It may be this range to this range, okay? You can say what is the minimum budget you work with, okay? If you work with only the minimum budget $500, not less than that, you can mention we work with only minimum of $500 to the $10,000, or else you can say upper limit. So they will be able to know that, okay, this will be the things. So anyway, we have to do research according to their requirement, and then we have to prepare plan for them. And then after preparing plan, present the plan, and then discuss the pricing, okay? Because this is not a generic product. This is a customized solution for their business. You are not selling any services. You are selling solution for their business. Then only you will be able to charge more, okay? So then, so present the plan. You have to present the plan, what plan you have to prepare, okay? And pricing. Plan and pricing, then we have to do it. So likewise, after that, you can close it, okay? After that, you can close the meeting. Means that you can take the payment or something like that, the meeting will be closed. So we have to follow this one, okay, anyway. So let's suppose, let's see some numbers. So then, because some logical things is very important, if you don't know the number, it will be very difficult to understand the logic. So let's suppose you're doing daily outreach, okay, with 40 people, 40 to 50 people. Let's suppose 50 people, okay? So let's suppose 40 people you're doing, and you are working for a 25 days in a month. So how much call you'll make? So you'll make almost around 1,000 follow-up. You do it, okay? With only a single platform, only one single platform. But other platform is also there with the same formula. With the same formula is there. I'm telling you with the one platform. Same thing you can do it for the Facebook. Same thing you can do it for the Instagram as well. Okay, don't worry. So like this. So then what you have to do? Suppose you are messaging 1,000 people, okay, every month. But suppose you are getting just 5-10% reply, because you are not sending everybody randomly. Click the number, send, click the number, send, nothing like that. You can do it. If you do like that, you can do it more. But it is recommended that we should not send more messages, more separate connection requests, so that your account will not be banned. Okay. If you send more messages, then your account will be banned. So we have to maintain our account. Okay. And then we have to do outreach. Then only your account will not be banned, because so many cases account will be banned. So we have to focus on that as well. So what we have to do right now? So we have to see the result. Let's suppose one day 100 people are replying you in 1 month. Okay. Then you have to send the follow-up message. You will send the follow-up message to all 100 people. Okay. And let's suppose if your offer is very good, then let's suppose only 25 people are booking call with you. Okay. Not 25. Let's suppose only 20 people are booking call with you. Okay. And in that, only 15 people are coming with your call. Only 50 people are coming on your call in a month. If you do research this part, if you do this one correctly, then we have to, then you can make very good things. Okay. Then only, so if you do good research, then only this number will be increasing. This number will increase. Okay. For that, let me show you something here. So how we are going to do? First of all, you have to narrow down your niche. You have to focus on a special niche, not all the niche. Okay. Focus on the niche, and then you have to focus on the active business owner. Okay. Active business owner means if somebody is running their business, you have to focus on that. Okay, you can do it. Okay, and you can see while seeing their profile, you can see, okay, this is active business or not active business or anything else. Okay, so like that. So there is only two things we have to see, and the particular niche and active business. Okay, so there may be the other criteria also, but the only two criteria we will see, whether they are active business or whether they have like particular niche in that. So let's suppose finally we are getting 15 discovery call on video call. Let's suppose 15 video discovery call, or else Zoom call, or else Skype call, or anything. And this is all about India as well as foreign countries. Same will be applied. Okay. So let's suppose in 15 people after presenting, let's suppose not all people will agree. Let's suppose only 10 people are agreeing with you. Okay, 10 people are ready to listen your pricing, otherwise they will leave you. Okay, so because you are presenting the plan, so they will listen your plan. Okay, let's suppose they are on the pricing and plan meeting, only 10 people are visible. Let's suppose 10 people are coming, and if you are good enough, then you can easily close 5 people. If you're not good enough, at least you can close 2 people out of that. Okay, 2 people out of that. So I will make it more. So why I'm saying 2 people? So because not all people will turn up for that. So we don't have to worry about as well. We don't have to worry about that. All people are not turning up. We have to see the people who are turning up. Only 2 people are turning up. And if it is a foreign country client, and if it's pitching good services, then you can easily charge 25,000 without any tension. Easily means social media marketing task also. So means that 2 into 25, it means that we are going to get almost minimum 50,000 rupees from one. Okay, 1 month from one platform. From one platform, we are going to get this much amount. Okay. And what is your investment? Zero. There is no investment in that, because these are all organic. These are all organic leads, and this is just a starting point. And once you start doing these things, they might take another services. Let's suppose 50,000 and 25,000 for the like SMA, social media marketing. Let's suppose some people also will take your website development task. Okay, website development work. So 25 to 50,000 you can charge easily. Okay, 50,000 you can charge for the good client. Okay. And also you can do the Facebook ads. Okay, $500 also you can easily charge for monthly basis. Okay, this will be social media marketing, and this will be the monthly basis, because this is a ad. And this is a website, but it will not happen over the night. To get it without experience, without practice, nothing is going to happen. But anyway, we have to start it. Okay, so this is a main logic that we are going to use inside. Okay, getting high paying client using LinkedIn. Okay, using LinkedIn, how we can get that high paying client? This is the procedure that we are going to follow. Is it clear? Type clear, pretty clear. Type clear, pretty clear. So likewise, we have to do it. Okay. So anyway, this number can be increased. If you don't have like time, so you can hire somebody that will do behalf of you. You can pay 10,000 rupees, remaining amount 20,000 rupees you can pay, remaining amount you can keep. So I'm telling you, this is a bare minimum. What if you are getting like 4 clients? What if you are getting 4 clients? 4 clients means easily it can be 1 lakh rupees. I think it is enough for you to have good good revenue. 1 lakh rupees. So this can happen, but it will not happen over the time. We have to be consistent. You have to work 8 hours a day. Then only it will happen. Not 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. If you are working 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, result will come. How much will come? We cannot say, but result will come. If you work for this and continuously for the 3 months at least. So at least we can work for 3 months to see the result. Without 3 months, it is very difficult to get the result. Is it clear? Let me know.
Okay, sir. Okay, clear.
Okay, then. So we will move to the other part, and we will see. So how we can do it practically. Okay. So as I have said, we need 2 things. One is connection request message, and second thing is that we need to have one follow-up message that we have to send. So that alone I will send you extra, but I will show you how we can do the research and how we can find the particular customer and how we should send the message. So let's suppose this is a we can do here. So we can go here and let's suppose you want to target somebody like a restaurant. You can easily type restaurant, okay? Then what we have to do? We have to target our niche, then we have to target our niche area, okay? So if you want to do something like courses, if somebody providing some courses, so you can go for the related course related restaurant, okay? You can see here filter, okay? So if somebody is giving you the course related to that, you can go and follow that. Anyway, we are not going to do follow. We are going to set here people. Okay, we are going to see people because business are managed by people, and we have to connect people. Correct. So likewise. So let's suppose this is the person and this is the Bangalore urban. So what we can do here is we can see connection is not required. It can be anything. Let it be, and we have to see this location. So what location you are want to target? You suppose you want to target only Bangalore, you can select Bangalore. If you want to target United States, you can do that. Okay, and but for the example purpose, I'm going to show you this Bangalore. So this will happen. This will come. So like we see this much is showing. If you see like only this much, so no, 11,000 people are there in Bangalore. Okay, who is running restaurant? Is it enough for you? Okay, so I will show you here. So what we have to do is that we have to go for the next page, next page, next page. Come down and see the next page, next page, next page. So how we will do that? Okay. So we will see, say McDonald's. Okay, let's suppose, for example, for McDonald's. So definitely, if there is McDonald's, they are going to see some of the higher like if you are starting out, they're not going. This is not a good way to approach. But according to this one, fish and fry restaurant, we can do that. Okay, or else we can do this one, a restaurant manager of Iron Hill, Bangalore. So we can open this one and we can see okay what kinds of people it is. So it is good or something. So we can see whether we are working or not working. So we can do something like we can go more, okay, and then we can send the message. Okay, we can send the follow-up message. We can click the connect request here, connect request, and add a note. Remember here you have to add the note, and we can see here we can type 300 message. We can type 300 message to grab their attention and to be a part of their things. Okay. So is it clear? Is it clear that how we can find the number and how we can send them the request? So not all people have to do it. Okay, not all people have. We have to connect. We have to connect particular people only. Your voice is not coming. You have to rejoin. Your voice is not coming.
While sending the connect request,
Connect with Note. Connect with Note. We have to do.
yeah, but what exactly is the script we should mention there?
Okay, I will give you the script sample also. Okay.
Okay.
So a script can be according to your needs. Okay, according to your needs, you can set the script.
No, here we are sending connection request. No. So right in the beginning, if we mention that we are offering a particular service, and if you are interested, you connect with me, and then we'll speak further. Will it be the right approach?
So actually, what we have to do is, so I will show you that as well. So what will happen means we can send that also. So we have to test it out. But what we have to do is we have to send normal message. Okay, we have to send normal message. Then we have to approach them. So let me figure out that which one is the message. So I have made already this one. So 1 second. You the how we can send that. Okay. So according to message, according to our requirement, we have to do it. Okay, we have to see how much watts it is coming. We have to do it one by one. So let's suppose this is the message. Okay. So you can put something like you have to send. You have to send with their name. Okay, with their name. So we can remove this one. This one is not required because your name already will be there. Okay. So hello, you can send some name there. Whatever name they have, you can copy their name and you can paste it. Okay. And I saw your name on my profile. Let me zoom it. I saw your name on my profile. I suggestion when I checked it, your profile, it is quite impressive. It is always good to connect with another professional. I hope this will be beneficial for each other. So simple message कि आप क्या आप प्रोफेशनल हैं, आप उसको कनेक्ट करना चाहते हैं. तो उसके बाद में सेकंड मैसेज और क्या है, सिंपल टू. दिस इज ए सिंपल वन. ओके, दिस इज सिंपल वन, सिंपल टू. So here what we have to do. So hi, after hi you can put their name. Okay, and this is here you can put your name also. Okay, you can name also you can put here your name. Or not required also, because in the appointment it will be there. Okay. So like this we can put your I am Asmala Ansari, member of Hassan University. We work with teacher, trainer, coach, consultant with to set up their coaching ecosystem and help them get more clients and customers through social media. I know we have not made, but it is always good to connect with another professional. तो मैंने क्या किया, मैं उसको बोला नहीं कि आप सर्विस ले लो. So what I have did, I have just told that what I am and how we can connect and help each other. So this is one of the sample, okay, that you can use, and this also you can use here, client name. Okay, and then you have to see, if you go do follow up, you can easily see their name. Okay, with their profile.
So you place this, sir, you paste this document in the group.
Sorry.
This document, you please
Yes.
send it to the group.
Okay, no problem. I will send you to the group as well. So see, according to this only, whatever services you have, you can design your own template, and you have to test it out. Okay, different template you have to test. Not only one template will be used for everyone. We can change different content of that. Okay, so let's suppose for sample 3. So I will give only 3 samples. That after that we have to figure out. Okay, so here. I'm going to tell you something special. Okay, so simple message. Okay, I'm going to say a simple message here. 1 second. So here what we have to do is, so we can do one thing here. If you are a business owner, or we are a business owner, okay, if you have, okay, not you are, if you have, okay, if you have a business, or you know someone who want to generate more lead, sales and revenue, okay, revenue through social media, I can help you. I can help you with that. Okay, with that I can help with. If we have okay, if you have a lines, means a space is there, so you can put this also. Okay, so I have, if you know, if you have business, or you know someone who want to generate more leads, more sales and revenue through social media, I can help you with that. Reply this message and let's chat. If a line is not there, you can leave this also. Okay, and in top what we can do, hi, and then client name. Client name is very important, because if you put client name, they will think like, okay, they are taking my name. So like that. So different types of opportunity we have to approach. We have to approach with different lines. Okay.
Shall we put that Calendly link here?
No need to put Calendly link.
Then how they will book the meeting?
So first of all, make connection, and then you have to send follow-up message. I think you have forgotten this one. Okay, so we don't have to forget these rules. We have to apply these rules. This is the best rules, and whatever message you want, you can send. First of all, we have to send connection request, and then in reply you can send booking link. Okay, whatever question they have, you can answer there. Then you can send booking link, and then we can book the meeting in the follow-up message. Okay, if they're not replying, why we need to send the link? And basically in connection we should not send link, I think. Okay, it will have problem. So once you are connected, like it's like a Facebook friendship. Okay, once you have become friends, you can send any message, long message. In the follow-up message you can type long message that will help them to pursue to take action. And in the first message we are just sending, okay, what we are sending, hook, just you are sending hook, so that while seeing the hook they will do it. Okay, So let me do experiment with this one. Okay, so let me copy that and go back, and let me copy that and experiment that one. So I will put this one. Okay, I will copy this. So I will delete this. I don't want. So I'll take copy. If you have business or know someone who wants to generate more leads, sales and revenue through India, I can help you with that. Reply this message to WhatsApp. So I will go back to the this link. Okay. So what I will do, I will connect and add note. I will put it's under 300. Okay, great. So you can put this one. Okay. So you can put this much enough. If your message is clear, then this much is enough. So in 121 balance is there. Still you can type 121 character. So hi, then
Yeah,
what?
but here it is not connection request. No, this message
sorry?
is not connection request. This message is not connection request.
Some people will not have. So we have to find other people. Okay, you have to find another people. Why we have to follow that one? So many security feature is there. If they have security feature, they will stop somebody to message you directly. Okay, so if that is things, okay, then you can go for the premium account. See a premium account, or else go for the other one. Go to the next door. Higher in the, if we have a business or you know someone who want to generate more leads, sales and revenue through the social media, I can help you with that. Reply this message, let's chat, and simply we have to send it. Done. Okay. So likewise, we have to go back. Okay, we have to go back, and we have to do the same thing here. Okay, Viradharani and McDonald's. We will not do that because they will see. Anyway, we can, while seeing the name only, we can see what kinds of restaurant it is. Head chef as Hungry Puppet Restaurant. So it looks like a good. Okay. So we will see what kind of profile they have. So are they posting something? Are they posting something? Yeah, they are active so much. Not so much, but they are using it. So anyway, we can do this connection request, and then we have to send this one, and then again the paste the same thing. Again come back, and here we have to put their name. Okay, hi Akash. If you have any business, okay, send that. So always we have to try to find some owners, but this chef is not a right person, means a qualified person. But anyway, we can send it, but we have to always find something like owner. Okay. So something like we will not do that. Okay. So all filter, you can go here and see all filter here. Okay.
Yeah, we can connect with the chef, and then later on we can say we can tell the chef that you can recommend us to the owner, and
Yeah, that's
in case the owner agrees and gets into a deal with us, then I'll pay you some commission out of it.
yeah, it's all about your logic. So whatever logic you have you apply, this also can happen. Okay, this also can happen. No,
Because that guy is a head chef. Head chef means certainly he is having a lot of influence in that restaurant,
influence will
and
be
he
there,
goes
right?
to the owner as well.
Yeah,
So
you
we
can
can
ask.
easily
First of all,
speak to the owner personally, and get us the deal with that restaurant owner, and in return for the service which is providing, we are paying him some commission. That's it.
right. So here also we have to see. Okay, so we have to see one thing. We don't have to. So we don't have to always offer directly. Okay. First of all, we have to see whether they are owner partnership. Sometimes they will be in partnership, so we don't have to offer everybody that offer. You have to make sure that they are ready for the commission. Okay, you have to find it out. So we can see something like, okay, they are posting it, but it's too old. So anyway, we'll go back. We'll see other people. We'll see other people in that. So CEO at Science Restaurant. So this may be a good person. So I can open that and visit, or here also I can do it. Okay, here also I can do add note. But it is always good to open their account and see their account and then send the message. I will send and we will send. So 40 messages easily you can do within a half an hour, I think. If you do research, it will take 1 hour. So initially it will take more hour, but once you have, let's suppose 11,000 people are there, and you are messaging them daily 40 members. So how much time it will take? It may take almost 100, not 100, means almost 300 days. Means it will take 1 year to complete this only one is in Bangalore, just in Bangalore. So likewise, if it is Bangalore, so you have to deselect and go to the United States, and you have to search some yes, you can search. So I will do this restaurant owner at Jim's family. So I will open this. So 500 plus connection is good response that they have. We can see what all the activity they are doing. So we can see their activity. They are not so much active, but anyway we can send it. If see the things is what we are doing here. So we are asking that if we have business, okay. If we don't have business, we recommend somebody. Okay. Hi, Katerina. Okay, Katerina. Connect. Okay. Will do connect. So like that, it's very simple. You can reach out to the any people in the world, and we have to focus on mainly owner. Okay, owner CEO. We have to see that, so that we can get the like good quality result from there. So this is it for the today class, and I hope you got the good idea. Finally, if you have any question, let me know. Otherwise, we will close the session. So do you have any other question that you want to ask?
No, here our target is overseas clients only, not Indian clients.
Yeah, that
that is
depends
where the
on
money
you.
lies.
If you want to target only overseas client, you can go for that.
But we don't know how these people react.
How people will react? If you don't say anything, they will not react. If you say something, then only they will react. So first of all, to know how they will react, first we have to say something. Okay. So it's all about assumption. We should not assume anything, even though people are stopping you. Okay, we should not assume that. We should always do something. Then only we have to see the result, and we have to focus on the result. We don't know what is there inside the client mind. We should never assume anything. Okay, we have to put effort. That's why I have told you that this is the approach. Means that 1,000 people, in the 1,000 people, not all people are going to take your services. Okay, all people are not going to reply you. Let's suppose only 100 people are replying you. Okay, that also okay. If only 50 people are replying you, that is also a good number out of 1,000. But we are not going to focus on only in LinkedIn. This will be the same procedure we are going to apply on Instagram. We are also going to apply in the Facebook. On the next class, we will see how we can find people from the Facebook and Instagram. Sorry, Instagram. Okay. So from there also, I think this structure will be the same. Okay. This structure will be the same. Only thing will be change is platform. Only platform will be changed, and remaining thing will be the same. Get it? So if you got it, then we will move ahead. Okay. So okay. If final any question?
In the meeting also, the first thing that fellow will ask is, how can I trust? How can I pay you money? How can I trust you? How can I trust you and pay the money? Because money we are taking right in the beginning, no, not after giving all the services.
Okay, so that's why you are doing your personal branding. Why you are making your website? Okay, why you are putting your details on your Google. Okay, you have to create Google account. Everything already I have told you. Already you have done that. Okay, so you have to do it again and again. You have to put your social media content. More social media content equal to more trust. Whatever question you are asking, that is very genuine question. Okay, and that's why there is only one way that we have to show our face. First of all, second things, we have to produce content on social media on regular basis. Okay, and third thing is that we have to give some testimonial. Okay, if you don't have any testimonial, then what you can do is that you can work with any one or two, three clients. Okay, and then you can say something like, I will work for you, see my work, and they pay me. Okay, even though they are not paying you later on after work, no problem, but make sure that they should give you the testimonial. Testimonial is more than money that you are getting. Initial purpose, you can have some testimonial, then and we have to be transparent, open, and we have to show our face, because most of the people are like who is doing fraud or something like that on online, they will not show you the face. So that's why you don't have to be in that part, because you are the one who want to take money, then you have to do it. Okay.
See,
So any other question that you have?
testimonials nowadays.
Sorry?
Testimonials are easily available everywhere nowadays. Everybody, you guess, I mean, any fake person can give a testimonial. You can create a fake testimonial. Even you can give a testimonial for me. I can give a testimonial for you, or I can hire 2-3 people to speak something about me, and I can place the same thing on the on my website or landing page or YouTube channel or Instagram also. So that's not a big deal. Getting a few people to speak about me and putting their video for 1 or 2 minutes video is not a big deal. So
yeah. So according to you, what is your suggestion? How you can make the more trust?
make them more trust means maybe we have to work freely for them for some time. We have to offer free service for some time. Maybe for 1 month, we should say that I can offer you free service. After offering free service for 1 month, you pay me this much amount. This is my charge. After the initial what do you say? After the initial deal, I won't charge you anything upfront, but after providing service for 1 month, then this is a charge which I usually charge from my clients. So this is what you have to pay me. If you agree, then I will start working freely. Then 1 month down the line, this is the amount you should pay me. If you agree, then we have to work freely. That's it. What else can we do?
Right. So this also will work. This also will work here. So because as you are going to pay later, so you're going to take payment postpaid. So you have to make sure that client is genuine. Okay. If that client is genuine, you have to do research, and again then you can do it. And then also you can take some of the token money in advance, or else you can do free, and you can after work you can take the money that as well. So it's all depend on your strategy, how you are able to manage that. Okay. So how you are able to manage that? If you're not able to take money before, you can take it later. And if somebody is not paying you later, that is also you can you can manage. Okay. If you're ready with that also. So there is no hard rule that you have to do this one. No. You have to make sure that you get the client, work with the client, get the money. Okay, let's suppose you are working with postpaid also. There is no problem. You will get money after 15 days, 1 month. That's also okay. Okay. So in that way, client also will be hoping that okay, you can say something like, I will do the work according to your work progress. You can pay me. You can pay like 50% work you can do, then take some payment, then 50% work to do, take the payment. That also can be done. So it's all depends on you. So I am showing you the possibility. You have to follow that. I'm not going to do it. So I'm going to do it for myself. And you, if you want to earn something, then you have to do it hard way. And only thing, you know, whether they are going to pay you after the work or not, you have to work with somebody and then you have to figure out whether they're paying you or not. Because some of the cases, people will not pay you. That also you have to take care of.
So for this ClickFunnels, we need a credit card, which we are not having.
Yeah, for ClickFunnels, you should have the credit card.
Which we are not having. Then now what to do?
So okay, I will send you today one link, so you can create the credit card in 5-10 minutes. Okay, just follow the procedure, fill the all details. Okay, and you have to use that. What we can say? You can use Aadhaar card. OTP will come through the Aadhaar card, and then you can put the Aadhaar card number. Then you can start.
Is virtual card or physical card?
Sorry.
This is virtual card or physical card?
Virtual and physical both will be there. It will be free. Okay, it will be free. One physical card and other will be the virtual card.
No, how much time it will take? Once we fill up the form.
But what will happen means virtual card immediately. So you will get the immediate.
Your voice is breaking, sir.
Information about the virtual card. I will repeat it. So what will happen means once you register it, okay. So I will show you here. Okay, I will show you in this one. So I'm going to show you some of the link here. Let's suppose this is a card which I am using for my only the whatever payment is there, foreign client payment is there, I'm going to use it. So once you register, you will get details like this. Okay. So if you click that, you can get the details. Okay. So I will not show you the details. Sorry, but you will get the details. Okay.
Initially, how much money we have to pay to that guy?
Sorry.
Initially, how much money we have to pay to those people?
Didn't understand. How much money?
This, to get the credit card, how much money we have to pay?
No, it's a zero rupees money. Okay, you have to put the money and then you can use it. It's like prepaid card. It's a prepaid card, but it will act like debit and credit card, both.
Okay, so once you fill up the form, immediately we'll get this virtual card.
Yes, you'll get immediately this virtual card after 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, you have to verify your Aadhaar card, whatever mobile number you're using for Aadhaar card. You'll get one OTP. Once you get OTP, it will verify automatically, and then it will be okay to use it. Okay, and within 7 days, you will get the physical card also.
So once I think while mentioning the credit card details in that ClickBank, we have to only mention the number, no credit card number only we have to mention. That is all.
Credit card number, date. See, credit card number, date, and CCV number. Okay? Yeah, you will think that for that purpose you can get it from here itself. Okay, for that purpose you can use it.
So immediately we'll get that entire thing in the virtual card.
Yes, we can get that.
Here .com email ID is required for registering for ClickFunnels, or Gmail ID we can use.
For this one.
For
no any Gmail you can use. You can use Gmail.
For ClickFunnels, I'm saying.
Any email ID you can use.
Gmail is also okay for ClickFunnels.
Yeah, anything, any email ID will use.
No, the thing is, if you are using Gmail, they may think that we are not a serious person and they may reject our
No,
application.
no,
as well.
nothing like that. For creating account to getting in, they will not ask everything. Okay. But for email marketing, you need a professional number. Okay.
Mhm. So for
So you have to open that.
I mean, I think 14 days of free trial is available for ClickFunnels.
14-day trial is there everywhere. Okay.
Yeah.
14-day trial.
How to what do you say? Within 14 days we have to. I mean, once say 13 days we have to use, and then what do you say? We have to disconnect. Now, how to do that one? How to
So
disconnect?
in profile, it is given downgrade or deactivate. Okay. So already in the last class I have shown you how to enter the data. So if you log in there, you can go to this one. Okay, you can go to what we can say. Go to the profile and you can see the plan and pricing. Okay, and then after plan and pricing, they will show that cancel account. Okay, so that you can cancel the account.
You have to cancel the account.
Yeah, you have to cancel the account.
So once again, if you want to, say, for example, register. Once again, new mail ID we have to use.
New mail ID you have to use, or else if you want to use the same one, you can make the payment. You can continue.
No, the credit card also, I think new one you have to use. No, the old one will not work. I think once again.
Okay. Credit card, sorry, credit card.
Credit card also we have to use a new one, no, because the old one may not work now, because already we have used once. So the Gmail ID and the credit card, both, if we are using the new one, only then I think it will take. Or else
14 days you cannot do anything. See, anywhere in. So anyway, in 14 days, nothing you can do. Okay, if you're jumping around, so you'll not get result. So they know it. Okay, so then what they will do is, if your payment get bounced, then they will stop your credit card. If your payment get bounced, okay, then they will stop your credit card. Okay, so make sure that before billing date, you have to cancel. Okay, so we have to make sure it. So I'm sending you the link so that you can get you can create the account right now. Okay, so whatever people they are there, if they want, I will give them access. Okay. So anything else they want to help with?
yeah, I want the script. Just now you have typed the script, no? That script, if we can post it.
Yes, I will give you that. Okay, I will send it in you. Fine. We'll see you in the next class. I hope you'll practice it. Okay, and you have to practice it. So anyway, from the next class, I will give you an app. So if somebody is ready to take the task and complete the task, so I will give that app for them. Okay, if you want to work to promote our services, okay, or our courses, then I will give you the app, so that through that app you can promote our services and courses. Okay, see you in the next class. Goodbye.